Welcome, dear students. Greetings of the day. आज आपके माइक्रो प्रोपोगेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज़ जो इलेक्टिव कोर्स है CP311, इसका एक प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स जो प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर का होगा वो मैं आपको बताऊंगा। तो टॉपिक है प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर। क्या बैकग्राउंड है इसका? अभी तक ज़्यादातर आपने वीडियोस, पीपीटी, वेबिनार्स, हिंदी में भी मैंने पीपीटी बनाई है, हिंदी की पीपीटी पे भी वीडियो दिया है, उन सब चीज़ों को आपने देखा होगा। अब मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा आया कि यदि हम लेबोरेटरी कंडीशन से नहीं जुड़े हुए हैं तो एक पीडीएफ फॉर्म में उसको थोड़ा समझा दूं, उसकी आउटलाइंस आपको बता दूं। जब हम ऑफलाइन पेडागोगी में आएंगे तो प्रैक्टिकली भी हम आपको उस चीज़ को समझा देंगे। तो हमारा टॉपिक है प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर। आई थिंक दिस विल बी योर 15th वीडियो लेक्चर अंडर द यूनिट 2 माइक्रो प्रोपोगेशन टेक्नोलॉजीज CP311. So we will start. Now the background is plant research often involves growing new plants in a controlled environment. These may be plants that we have genetically altered in some way, or maybe plants of which we need many copies all exactly alike. These things can be accomplished through tissue culture of small tissue pieces from the plant of the interest. These small pieces may come from a single mother plant, or they may be result of genetic transformation of single plant cells, which are then encouraged to grow and to ultimately develop into a whole plant. Tissue culture techniques are often used for commercial production of plants as well as for plant research. ज़्यादातर टिश्यू कल्चर कमर्शियल प्रोडक्शन में ही इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, वो भी इन विट्रो कंडीशंस में, और प्लांट रिसर्च में इससे जुड़ाव है ही। जब इन विट्रो की बात कर रहे हैं वहाँ रिसर्च की बात होगी, क्योंकि पहले भी आपको बताया इन विट्रो में जो भी चीज़ें होती हैं वो लेबोरेटरी कंडीशंस में होती हैं, अंडर द कंट्रोल्ड एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशंस होती हैं। वहाँ हर एक चीज़ पर नियंत्रण होता है रिसर्चर का। टिश्यू कल्चर्स इन्वॉल्व्स द यूज़ ऑफ स्मॉल पीसेस ऑफ प्लांट टिश्यू एक्सप्लांट्स। इसमें प्लांट की स्मॉल पीसेस का इस्तेमाल होता है, विच आर कल्चर्ड इन अ न्यूट्रिएंट मीडियम अंडर स्टेराइल कंडीशंस. Using the appropriate growing conditions for each explant type, plants can be induced to rapidly produce new shoots, and with the addition of suitable hormones, new roots. These plantlets can also be divided, usually at the shoot stage, to produce large numbers of new plantlets. The new plants can then be placed in soil and grown in the normal manner. Now the next slide is many types of plants are suitable for use in classrooms, just like cauliflower, roach cuttings, African violet leaves, and carnation stems will all easily produce clones, exact genetic copies through tissue culture. Cauliflower florets in particular give excellent results since they can be grown into a complete plant in the basic tissue culture media without the need for additional growth or root hormones. Green shoots are generally observable within 3 weeks and roots develop within 6 weeks. The most important part of this activity, however, is to maintain as sterile an environment as possible. Even one fungal spore or bacterial cell that comes into contact with the growth media will rapidly reproduce and soon completely overwhelm the small plant piece that you are trying to clone. क्या इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स होते हैं, इस पर भी हम बात करेंगे. पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है टू अंडरस्टैंड अ प्रोसीजर दैट इज ऑफन यूज टू प्रोपोगेट मैनी प्लांट्स ऑफ द सेम जेनेटिक बैकग्राउंड. मतलब टू अंडरस्टैंड प्रोसीजर, एक पद्धति को जानना जो इस्तेमाल होती है बहुत से पौधों को प्रोपोगेट करने के लिए जिनका आनुवांशिक बैकग्राउंड है, जिनका आनुवांशिक तरीका बिल्कुल ही सेम है. सेकंड है टू अंडरस्टैंड द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ स्टाइल टेक्निक. स्टाइल टेक्निक्स को भी समझने के लिए हम प्लांट टिश्यू कल्चर का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Now the next slide is material required. 1 VL of Muriceous Viscose MS media. If you wish to make up your own growing media, you could use the recipe for the Muriceous medium given at the end of this section. 1 liter sterile distilled water, 10 gram of agar per liter, 30 gram sucrose per liter, 1.5 L or 2 liter container in which to prepare the growth medium, small amounts of 1 m NaOH and 1 m HCl to adjust the pH of the media, 60 flat bottom culture tubes with closures, glass aquarium or box lined with plastic sheet to cover the top of the aquarium, adhesive tape, 10% bleach in a spray bottle, 70% alcohol in a spray bottle, forceps or tweezers, gloves, cutting equipment such as scalpel blade or razor blade, 2 bottle or sterile distilled water purchased at the grocery store. This is the material which is required during the process. Pressure cooker, used in plant just like cauliflower, rose, African violet or carnation. फिर पेपर टॉवल फॉर कटिंग ऑन अ स्टाइल पैटी डिशेस यदि अवेलेबल है तो, बीकर और जार इन विच टू बास द प्लांट मटेरियल, डिटर्जेंट वाटर मिक्सचर 1 ml डिटर्जेंट पर लीटर ऑफ वाटर, ब्लीच स्टरलाइजिंग सॉल्यूशन, dilute commercial bleach 5 to 6 gram sodium hypochlorite to a final concentration of 2% sodium hypochlorite in distilled water in a large beaker or jar. 2 or 3 beakers or jars of distilled water, a well lit area away from direct sunlight, or use full spectrum grow lights, hormones such as BAP, benzylaminopurin and NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, to stimulate growth and root development. Respectively, commercial rooting hormone solutions and powders are also available from hardware stores. Muriceous Minimal Organic Medium Recipe MMOM, Inorganic Salts mg per L, NH4NO3 में 1650, KNO3 में 1900, CaCl2 332, मैग्नीशियम सल्फेट एनहाइड्रस में 180.70, KH2PO4 में 170, Na2EDTA में 37.25, FeSO4.7 H2O में 27.80, H3BO3 में 6.20, MnSO4 H2 में 16.90, ZnSO4 H2 में 5.37. Now the next is KL में 0.83, Na2MO4.2 H2O में 0.25, COSO4 एनहाइड्रस में 0.016, COCl2 एनहाइड्रस में 0.014, सुक्रोज में 30,000, आई एनोस्टॉल में 100 और थियामिन HCl में 0.40. The pH is adjusted to 5.7 using 0.1 m HCl or NaOH. Now the procedure. Preparation and sterilization of growing medium when not provided prepared. These steps will make 1 liter of growth medium, which is enough to prepare about 65 growing tubes. First is dissolve the MS mixture in about 100 ml of distilled water. Stir the water continuously while adding the salt mixture. Add 30 gram sugar and stir to dissolve. Adjust pH to 5.8 using 1 mNaOH or 1 mHCl as necessary while gently stirring. Add distilled water to make the total volume up to 1 L. Now the second, weigh out 10 gram of agar and add it to the MS solution. Heat the solution gently while stirring until all the agar has dissolved. Pour the still warm medium into the polycarbonate tubes to a depth of about 4 cm, which will use about 15 ml of media per tube. Place the tubes with lids sitting on the tubes but not tightened in a pressure cooker and sterilize for 20 minutes. Cool the pressure cooker, then remove the tubes and tighten the lids. Alternatively, the tubes can be placed in boiling water for 30 minutes. But make sure that none of the water is able to enter the tubes. Now the next slide is note. If you wish to use plants other than cauliflower, you need to prepare 2 different media. कॉलीफ्लावर के स्थान पर यदि हम कोई दूसरा इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो हमको 2 मीडिया बनाने पड़ेंगे, which contain plant hormones necessary to stimulate development of differentiated tissues. The first one should contain a cytokinin such as BAP, which promotes shoot formation, and the second one a rooting hormone such as NAA or store brought rooting hormone. To do this, prepare the mixture up until the end of step second, keeping the mixture warm so that it does not solidify. Divide it equally into 2 pre-warmed containers. Each container can be used to prepare 30 or so tubes as above. The first container should have BAP added at the rate of 2 mg per L. इस कंडीशन की बात हम तब करेंगे जब हम कॉलीफ्लावर को सिलेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम तो कॉलीफ्लावर को ही लेके चल रहे हैं ना. तो नेक्स्ट हमारा होगा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अ स्टाइल ट्रांसफर चैम्बर एंड इक्विपमेंट. A classroom transfer chamber can be made from a clean glass aquarium. Turn on its side. Scrub the aquarium thoroughly with a 30% bleach solution, making sure that you wear gloves and do not inhale the flume. Do not inhale the fumes. Rinse with style distilled water. Turn upside down on a clean counter or paper towels and allow to dry. Cut holes in a clean plastic sheet to allow arms to reach into the chamber and reinforce the cut edges with the tap if necessary. Tap the clean plastic sheet over the open side of the aquarium, making sure that the arm holes are located at the convenient height. Plastic sleeves could also be fitted to these holes if you wish to make it easier to prevent the entry of airborne spores into the chamber. The finished aquarium chamber can be sterilized by spraying with 10% Clorox bleach just prior to each use and drying with sterile paper towel. Wrap the forceps, scalpels, razor blades, paper towel and gloves, rubber or surgical, in aluminum foil, seal with tape and sterilize by processing them in a pressure cooker for 20 minutes. फॉर 20 मिनट्स। इस चीज़ को याद रखना, प्रेशर कुकर में 20 मिनट्स तक स्टरलाइज करना है। These items can also be sterilized by placing in an oven at 35 डिग्री फ़ारेनहाइट for 15 minutes। ओवन में भी हम स्टरलाइज कर सकते हैं। You can wrap each item separately to put together a kit so that each student will have their own sterile equipment to use. Next is plant preparation. Your plant material must first be surface sterilized to remove any bacteria or fungal spores that are present. Be aimed to kill all microorganisms, but at the same time not cause any adverse damage to the plant material. Cauliflower should be cut into small sections or florets about 1 centimeter across. If using a rose or other cuttings, cut the shoots into about 5 to 7 centimeter lengths. Whole African violet leaves can also be used. Wash the prepared plant material in a detergent butter mixture for about 20 minutes. If trying hairy plant material, scrub with a soft toothbrush. This will help remove fungi, etc. And the detergent will help wet the material and remove air bubbles that may be trapped between tiny hairs or a plant. Transfer the washed plant material to the sterilizing Clorox solution. Shake the mixture for 1 minute and then leave to soak for 10 to 20 minutes. Carefully pour off the bleach solution using the lid to keep the plant tissue from coming out, and then carefully cap the container. Note 1, Note 2. This point the tissue is considered sterile. Second, many students will not fully appreciate the importance of carefully styling explants, and so there will be some cultures that become infected with bacterial or fungal growth. कैसे ट्रांसफ़र करें टिश्यू कल्चर मीडियम को, इन स्टेप्स को देखते हैं. Use the sterile gloves and equipments for all of 3 steps. Place the plant material still in the Clorox bleach sterilizing container, the containers of sterile water, the sterile forceps and blades, some sterile paper towels to use as a cutting surface, enough tubes containing sterile medium into the sterile aquarium. The outside surface of the containers, the capped tubes, and the aluminum wrapped supplies should be briefly stirred with 70% alcohol before moving them into the chamber. The gloves can be sprayed with a 70% alcohol solution and hands rubbed together to spread the alcohol just prior to placing hands into the chamber. Third is, carefully open the container with the plant material and pour in enough sterile water to half fill the container. आगे आप देखना है इसमें. फोर्थ में, remove the sterile plant material from the sterile water, place on the paper towel or a sterile petri dish. Cut the cauliflower into a smaller piece about 2 to 3 mm across if using rose cut. A piece of stem about 10 mm in length with the attached bud. The African violet leaf can be cut into small squares about 1 to 1.5 centimeter across. Be sure to avoid any tissue that has been damaged by bleach, which is apparent by its pale color. Take a prepared section of plant material in sterile forceps and placed into the medium in the polycarbonate tube. Cauliflower pieces should be partially submerged in the medium, flowerward facing up. Rose or other cuttings should be placed so that the shoots are level with the medium surface. The African violet leaf pieces should be laid directly onto the medium surface. इसके साथ प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स खत्म होते हैं. इसका पीपीटी या मतलब इसका पीडीएफ और वीडियो दोनों आपको LMS अकाउंट पर अपलोड हो गए हैं. आप इनको देख सकते हैं.